Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you Rabbit for 2022. If you are born in Stove Spirit, your zodiac is a rabbit. And you have so many good characteristics. We call it the congenital advantage, which is it comes with you naturally. You don't need to do anything. When you're born, you just have it. So we call it the congenital advantage. At least 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one, which is the most important, we call Rabbit has like a bright, pleasant personality, which is Rabbit is like a born to live under the spotlight. It's so get used of it, and then Rabbit is so naturally to stand out in front of the public, and then just easily to become something like a popular figure. So this is something special. So at least the first one in terms of other things. Okay, the number two. The number 2 is something related to art. We call the artistic talent. Rabbit is either have a talent to appreciate or understanding certain type of art, or Rabbit is good for performance, certain type of art. You just have some like art related talent, which is something special too. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is the caution. Be careful. The careful characteristic. Rabbit is a really like caution, careful. He'll think twice before he take any action, so it can help Rabbit to minimize the risk, to reduce the chance to making any mistakes. So this is something also important characteristic. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is the sympathy characteristic. We know that from time to time people will have a suffering or some bad luck coming, but when you talk to a rabbit, Rabbit is a really like a good listener, a good partner of you. He will share with you, and then he will just share the feeling and then understanding you, at least give you some support. So Rabbit is good for this sympathy characteristic. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is related to number 4. Is Rabbit has like a patient characteristic. So Rabbit is easily to be a good listener. People like to talk to Rabbit. You know why? Because Rabbit is a good listener, a good like fans to share the story, either is happy or unhappy. So Rabbit is here to share the story with you. He's a good listener. So he will make a lot of good friends because of this patient characteristic. Okay, number 6. Number 6 is the optimistic characteristic. So we can see that Rabbit is always smiling face, have some happiness on the face. So people like to see and talk to Rabbit because people like to see the smiling face, share the happiness. So this is also really special. Okay, we mentioned something good. There's something we need to pay attention. We got the congenital disadvantage for Rabbit. And again, I list 3 of them for your reference. Okay, the first thing is, some people will say that Rabbit is good for like a two-facedness. So let me make an example. Okay, Rabbit is good for, talking to these people, is telling that kind of a version of story, and talking to another person, he will express another version of the story. So Rabbit is good to do that because it's so like flexible for the Rabbit. So people will think that, hey, maybe Rabbit is good for doing 2 faces, but actually it's something misunderstanding, because Rabbit just is good in communication, is good in like telling different story, telling different kind of version. So this is the case. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is the universal love. We know that Rabbit is a good listener, and then is a good friend to lots of people. It share all the love to other people. So sometimes some people will just like a misunderstanding. Hey, he's so good. Maybe he has some meaning, or he like me, or whatever. So there's easily to create some misunderstanding among each other. So you need to pay attention for that one. Okay, the last one. The last one is the escapism characteristic. Rabbit is known to be like a Caucasian, like a careful characteristic. So when anything happens, Rabbit will try all his best to stay away and then stay away from the trouble, stay away from the conflict. So people will think that, hey, Rabbit is escaping his responsibility. But actually, it's another version of his flexibility. So this is for your reference. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is for Rabbit, if you want to form a team, you need to find pig and goat. Those two are good business partner for you, will be benefit to you. And if you want to find a girlfriend, boyfriend, dog is the wonderful soulmate for you. So you can pay attention for that one. And you need to stay away from rooster, rat, and dragon. Those three are not really good for you, especially for business. Please stay away. Especially for rooster. If you want to form a team or find a girlfriend, boyfriend, don't find rooster because it's totally against you. Okay, the next thing we are going to mention is the good luck timing for Rabbit. From 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., 7 p.m. to 11 p.m., every single day are the good luck timing for Rabbit. And for the bad luck timing is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. are the bad luck timing. So anything important, you can schedule it on the good luck timing. Stay away from the bad luck timing. It will benefit to you. Okay, the next thing is the forecast for 2022. The overall forecast for 2022 is they easily have some like an argument, misunderstanding, conflict with other people. So you need to pay attention. Stay away from this conflict. Stay away from this unnecessary misunderstanding will benefit you. And you need to try all your best to stay away from the lawsuit, which is not really good for you, so stay away. But because you have an excellent communication skill, so that one should be not a big problem for you. And in 2022, August and December are two challenging months for you, so pay attention for that 2 months. Otherwise, should be good. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast. Although the financial luck is not too bad for Rabbit in 2022, but you still have some unexpected expenses. So you need to watch out for your credit card bill, for your medical bill. Don't surprise you. And in terms of investment, just be low profile and then be more conservative. Try to don't do some aggressive investment. It will help. And more diversification for a low risk investment will also benefit to you. Okay, the next thing is the career forecast. The career luck is not too bad, and you will have a new promotion, new opportunity come up. But at the same time, maybe you will have a chances. People will just bring on you, which is not fair, or ask you to admit some error, some mistake, which is totally unrelated to you. So you need to pay attention for that one, which is not fair to you. And in terms of love, which is something special, the love energy for this year is, we can divide it by two parts. The positive one, the positive love energy is relatively low this year. But the negative love energy is really high. So you easily engage in some unhappy situation, affair, or some arguments. Just pay attention for that one because the negative love energy is affecting you. But you have the bond tenants to offset those energy. So you should be fine. The next thing is the family forecast. Your family sometimes need your support, need you to stay here, listen to them, to share the story with them, and show your love to them. So pay more attention, spend more time with the family is a good idea in 2022. Okay, the last one is the health forecast. In 2022, you have a minor health issue, so pay attention for that one, and you need to, let's say, do more exercise and then train up your body and have enough sleep, and that will help. Okay, I wish you good luck this year. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.